Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS29 and Cool Gray. Okay, let's take our scissors, let's open it on up. And inside each box, you'll get your product, you'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal mattress box, and you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. First, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay, and then we'll take the plate off for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingers and push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy, just like that. Okay, you'll notice at the front here the two holes. That's where you're going to put your screws through to fasten to your mattress box. Flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top here that it's BS and CE certified. Also, you'll be able to tell the big difference between the two-way and the intermediate is the screw terminal holes. Two-way has 3 and the intermediate has 4. Also, the big difference between these two is the intermediate, you'll be able to control your lights from 3 separate locations. As the two-way, you'll only be able to control it from 2 separate locations. Also, these modules are interchangeable, so if you notice after installation that you need 2 9s or you don't need the 9 and you need 2 intermediates, not a problem. These pop out nice and easy, and a new one can pop in just like that, and then you're good to go. Okay, let's flip it on over, put your plate back on. Okay, and then we'll take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. Okay, on the one side, you have a whole bunch of social media platforms, which if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, we would greatly appreciate it. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. Also, you'll notice in the bottom right-hand corner here, a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, and it'll give you tips and tricks on how to install the light switches and sockets. Okay, finally, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, flipping it on over. At the bottom here is our SKU code, the ART-SS2 for the two-way, 9 for the intermediate, and CG for Cool Gray. At the center here is our barcode, and in the top left-hand corner here is another QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. Finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice a recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on to stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.